everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Socratic application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign out of your Socratic app, you will not be able to find any logout button inside the application. So, simply go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on the iPhone storage button and once you open up iPhone storage, scroll down and search for Socratic app in the app list. Once you find the app, give it a tap and now you can simply delete the application by tapping on Delete App button. Tap on Delete App again and wait for a few seconds until the app is deleted. Soon after you delete the application from your iPhone, you'll be able to sign out of Socratic app. If you ever want to log in again, simply go and open up your app store and re-download the application again. Now reinstall the application again and once you open up the app, you'll be able to see that you are redirected in the main home page. That is the only way you'll be able to sign out of Socratic app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.